There's a reason they call the Alleppey the Venice of the East. The shimmering waters, the swaying coconut palms, and the golden light bring the Kerala backwaters to life. Calm, endless, and full of quiet beauty. We arrive in Alleppey and pass the beautiful day boats, locally known as the shikaras. After an extensive online search, I'm thrilled to finally see the boat we booked. And trust me, all boats are not the same. Today, we are setting sail with Marvel Cruises, one of the most trusted names in houseboat experiences here in the Alleppey. We chose this particular boat for its rustic charm, and it did not disappoint. We're welcomed aboard with a refreshing lime juice. A perfect start to our backwater journey. Part of the Marvel fleet has 3 cozy bedrooms. We booked the entire boat for maximum privacy, just us, the water, and the open sky. Before boarding, you're requested to remove your shoes. The flooring is made of natural coconut fiber. It's a bit rough for me, so I recommend bringing indoor slippers for comfort. At the dock, Chanel from the Marvel head office greets us and walks us through the route. I'm a bit disappointed to learn that they no longer make market stops to buy fresh crab and shrimp. Apparently, a few guests got sick on previous trips, but safety first. Once Chanel waves goodbye, we set sail with a crew of 3 wonderful staff members. The gentle rocking of the boat, the rhythmic sound of water lapping against the wood, and the soft hum of the motor set the tone for a peaceful day ahead. These houseboats are a perfect blend of tradition and comfort, spacious bedrooms with crisp linen, a cozy deck for watching the world drift by, and air conditioning that's available from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. once the boat is docked and connected to power. As we move deeper into the backwaters, life unfolds on the banks. Fishermen casting their nets, women washing clothes by the edge, and children waving as we glide past. Rain is in the forecast, and I welcome the cool droplets on my face. Kerala in the rain is pure magic. Time seems to slow down, matching the rhythm of the tides. And then lunch is served. A delicious spread of rice, vegetables, and the star of the meal, Karimeen, also known as pearl spot fish. It's tasty but full of bones, so eat carefully. After lunch, I pretend to steer the boat for a while my hubby relaxes and I catch up on some work. We dock at a small village and stroll through the quiet Sunday streets to visit St. Mary's Basilica. This is one of the oldest Christian churches in India, believed to be established in AD 427. Listening to Mass in Malayalam was such a peaceful experience while my husband captured some beautiful drone shots. On the way back, we picked up some gifts and a few pods of fragrant vanilla from a nearby village, a sweet souvenir from Kerala. Back on board, it's tea time. Coffee for me, served with Pazham Pori, which is savory banana fritters. I'm not usually a banana fan, but this snack could definitely make it on my channel someday. I peek into the kitchen where the chef is busy preparing dinner. Nothing is fried until we're ready to eat, so all we can do is wait and watch the rain pour again. The tops come down and the captain shelters under his umbrella, and we ride out the brief monsoon shower. Once the weather clears, the drone takes up to the skies again, capturing breathtaking views of the backwaters glowing in the sunset. The sky turns shades of pink and gold for a few minutes, and we simply stop filming and just feel the magic of Kerala. storm brews again, the staff secures the boat. We dock for the night, switch on the AC, and prepare for the feast. A feast of fried kingfish steaks, rice, rotis, vegetables, and dal. The kingfish ends up being one of my favorite meals this entire trip. We fall asleep to the sound of gentle rain and wake up to more of it, soft, rhythmic, and peaceful. This boat draws attention everywhere we go. Tourists from nearby boats even ask to take pictures with it. Our final breakfast begins with fresh pineapple juice, followed by fluffy idlis and steaming hot sambar and coconut chutney. I dunk my idli generously, my perfect Kerala breakfast. My hubby requests eggs and the chef happily obliges. As we spend our final hour drifting on the Alleppey waters, time just seems to stand still. Every ripple tells a story, one of serenity, nature, and connection. When we finally dock, Chanel is back on board with his traditional namaste, and our wonderful crew helps us with our luggage. It's hard to say goodbye. It was truly an unforgettable experience. If you're planning a trip to Kerala, I will leave our agent's details in the description. Make sure you experience Marvel Cruises in Alleppey. You won't regret it.